Welcome back to the channel. It's a World Earthquake Update. It is March 4th, 2026, and we're going over to the beautiful state of Alaska in the US, where it experienced a magnitude 6.4 earthquake at a depth of 6.2 miles below the Earth's surface, with an epicenter of 52.1 degrees north and 176.2 degrees east, putting it in the Bering Sea and next to a very small uninhabited volcanic island called Boulder Island in the western Aleutian Islands, which is an archipelago which stretches from the peninsula of Alaska all the way across towards the peninsula of Kamchatka in Russia and separates the northern Pacific with the Bering Sea. Now, this 6.4 today was preceded by some foreshocks, registering 5.2, a 5.3, and a 5.4, leading up to the large quake today of 6.4. And then after, we had some aftershocks of magnitude 4.4 and 4.4, and also 4.9 at the time of making this video. Now, this area is extremely active both for volcanoes and for earthquakes because it's in the Ring of Fire, and it is no stranger to large earthquakes. Just east of the epicenter of today's earthquake, there was an 8.7 magnitude earthquake in 1965 within the Rat Islands. And since then, there's been multiple powerful earthquakes leading up to today's earthquake. Now, the tectonics of this area is quite simple. It is a convergent plate boundary between the very large and dense Pacific plate and the North American plate, which is continental. And this also includes the Bering Block, in which the Pacific plate is subducting under the Bering Block, the North American plate, along the Aleutian Trench. And with the Pacific plate subducting, this is causing the friction and the subsequent release of elastic energy in the form of seismic waves, creating today's earthquake, which is a 6.4.